That hurt. You know. Why am I getting arrested? What did I do? What the hell? I speak English, not this skibbity language. Finally, that annoying guy's gone. Jeez, let me check his phone to see who his... The last that I remembered was that I got kidnapped by a guy with curly hair and glasses.
Hello, we live, we love, we like I. My name is Charlie Brown 5 and I am bringing you to meme land.
Shut up and stop crying.
Anyways, meet the members of meme land.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Neapolian. J'étais l'origine un roi jusqu'à le propriétaire de Memeland, crée Annie Chanson. EQG soit teleport ichi.
Very good.
Wait a minute. That's the guy that arrested me. Finally, that annoying guy's gone. Jeez, are you kidding me? I'm in an insane asylum, and wait, what's happening?